How to make keto ham and cheese chaffle sandwich. Please kindly do subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients. For chaffles: 1 large egg, ½ cup shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/4 cup almond flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. For sandwich: 2 ounce deli-sliced black forest ham, 2 ounce Havarti cheese, 2 ounce fresh tomatoes, sliced, 1 ounce romaine lettuce, 1 tablespoon mayonnaise. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all the ingredients. Preheat a waffle maker. 2. In a bowl, crack the egg, and add the shredded mozzarella cheese, almond flour, and baking powder. Mix until combined well, to form a batter. 3. Add the batter into the waffle maker. 4. Cook until chaffles are thoroughly done. Let them completely cool. 5. Plate 1 chaffle, and add the sliced black forest ham, sliced tomatoes, romaine lettuce, and mayonnaise. 6. Top with the other chaffle, and enjoy your keto ham and cheese chaffle sandwich. The serving. This makes a total of 1 serving of keto ham and cheese chaffle sandwich. Each serving comes out to be 804 calories, 64.4 grams fat, 7.5 grams net carbs, and 48.7 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below this video. Also, please kindly do like and share this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you.